I just could not commit to, one, the travel of having to go back and forth, getting my hair retightened. I was not going to be enslaved to somebody else or having to be totally dependent on someone else to maintain my hair. Honey, I am not the one. Hey everybody, you guys, I am 6 weeks in. It has been 6 weeks since I started my Micro Braidloc journey, and you guys, when I tell you I am loving every minute of it, it has been it's been exciting, it's been freeing. I can appreciate being able to jump up and get ready for work and jump up and go, although there are some times that I do a little extra stuff if I need to my hair to kind of get these little curlies, but you guys, I'm loving it. So I did, let's see, I was 4 weeks in, so it was like September the 2nd. I did a video after I shampooed my hair, and I've already recorded my first shampoo, and I will link that at the end just in case you guys need to see that. But I didn't record the second shampoo because you guys had already seen it. But I shared with you how I did the braiding and banding. Didn't want to do that, so let me show you what I did. I did the braiding, but I didn't like the banding with the rubber bands. And you guys, the first time when I shampooed my hair and braided and banded, I got out, my hair was still wet. I took the rubber bands off while it was wet, and somebody that watched the video said, I thought you weren't supposed to take the bands off until your hair dropped. Yeah, girl, I don't know. I'm just learning. So I told her, I said, good looking out. So I did not like that process of taking those rubber bands off my hair. So I said, no, we're not gonna do that. So let me insert this clip here. It's about 8 minutes where I showed you, or where I will show you exactly what I did the second time that I shampooed my hair. And then once we come back, I just want to share with you a couple of little updates about my hair, things that I've noticed. But before we do that, real quick, let me give a shout out to Dutchess KeKe. You guys check out my little earrings. This is my elephant. These are my butterflies. My butterflies were a free gift. Designs by Dutchess. This here is a, let's see, this is some lock jewelry that at some point I will put on my hair. And she also sent me this lock tool. Now, KeKe, I told you, you're gonna have to show me how to use this. I don't know what to do with this, okay? But, and speaking of which, whenever it's time for me to retighten my hair, I'm thinking I'm gonna try the crochet hook. Y'all, I don't even know. I've not even purchased what I need to retighten my hair. So, and it's gonna be time for that in a little bit, I guess. But anywho, let me insert this clip. That's about 8 minutes, so I can show you exactly what I did the last time. And then we'll talk when I get back, okay? This week was my shampoo week, and I wanted to show you all what I did to achieve this crinkly look. I do not like banding. I will braid my hair, but the first time I did the braiding and the banding, I'm not gonna do that, okay? So I braided it or plaited it, and then I took a piece of my tissue paper or my end wrapping paper, whatever you want to call it, and I put it on, pull it to the ends of my hair where it just barely covers the end. And then y'all, I took a clamp. This is a hair bow, a clamp, and I took the ends because all I'm doing is just really trying to wrap the ends, and I just twirled it around a couple of times and clamped it. So this is what I did. I had these little hair bows all over my hair, and this is how I shampooed it. So once I took the clamp out, because remember, the majority of my hair is relaxed, okay? So I have to be very careful about the ends not unraveling. Took the little hair bow out, and we have the little crinklies. Took my plaits loose, and this is what we were left with. So that's what I did the last time when I shampooed my hair. But since then, I tried something else, and I use these little perm rod rollers. So when I get up in the morning, if I feel like there's an area of my hair that's a little too straight or I need a curl, you guys, I will take my, as a matter of fact, let me do an example. I'm going to show you just how quick it curls. Let's see. We're going to take these two right here. I just spray a little bit of my, this has just my, I spray just a little bit, and then I take my paper and wrap it around it, and you see, and I slide it to the very end. I just want you guys to see how quick this will get a little curl. So sometimes in the morning, if I want a little curl, I'll do this when I get out of the shower. And then by the time I get dressed, you know, oftentimes I'll take it loose. So hopefully I won't forget to take this out. But this is what I do. I'm going to leave this in a few minutes so you can see how quickly I'll get a little bend, okay? So back to the hair. So I use these and just get me a little curl if that's what I'm feeling. This is how we're looking in the back. And you guys know when I shampooed it the first time, and even the last time, the little ones on the bottom row came loose. I just had to reestablish those. But again, it did not take long. Just in case this is your first time watching my video and you do not know that my hair is predominantly relaxed. So the majority of my hair is relaxed. The majority of my hair is relaxed. So there's about, I may have about 2 inches of new growth. Speaking of which, you guys, look. Y'all, I'm just all over the place because I'm so excited. Is this, wait a minute, let me find it. And then I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I found it. Now let me zoom in so you guys can see. You guys tell me, is this what you call budding? Get real close. Hope I don't have no boogers in my nose. Let's see. Look at that cute little earring. Ain't that cute? Look at my baby. Look at my little elephant. Ain't that cute? Okay. Back to the hair. Look, you guys. Wait a minute. Come here. Look at that. Wait a minute. Okay. There we go. I'm trying to hold both of them at the same time. Okay, look at that, you guys. Is that budding? Is that what you call it? I know they had the buds on the end, but you guys, this is 6 weeks, and this is what we're looking like, and this is what my ends look like. They're just as straight. So that's probably about the biggest difference that I've seen with my hair. So y'all, that's crazy. And like I said, 6 weeks. And I noticed that probably about a week ago, at least, when I really realized it. So, when I shampoo my hair, I use my mixture of oils that I spray my scalp with. And what I've been doing lately is I'll do that for maybe like the first couple of days after I shampoo my hair. But after that, and in my oil mixture, it has the rose water. And then I have several different oils that I use in here. And I told y'all I'm a share. I am. But just, you know, again, I wanted to keep using it a little more. But I did focus on oils that were specific to thinning hair or hair loss and that type of stuff. So I usually do that after I shampoo my hair, and then maybe the next day. And then after that, I'll just use, I have some distilled water in here, and did I do some leave-in conditioner? I did. I have some distilled water, and my baby has it upstairs. A few sprays of Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. Honestly, it's just because it smells good. I like the way it smells, so that's what's in here. And I will spray it if I feel like it needs it. If I don't, and I take that shower cap off, honey, I fluff and go. Y'all, I am loving this. I'm telling y'all, this is what I was trying to do when I went and got those extensions in my hair, talking about I had some sister locks. That was a hot mess. I'll put that video at the end too, just in case you haven't seen. You need to see that one. So, let's see how much. I can tell some areas seem to be growing more than other areas, because let me look at the front. It's not, kind of see how much new growth I have. I can't even like really get my finger through there, just barely trying to get my finger. So it's not a whole lot, but I can tell it's growing. So will I be retightening my hair soon? Let me see, August, September. There's no telling. I don't know. My thought process is right now, maybe wait until about November. I don't know. So I guess I can tell when I feel like I need to retighten, because I actually like it better once it started to grow out. And of course it didn't look so scalpy, because again, with me dealing with thinning, I just felt I didn't like seeing as much of my scalp. So I like it at this phase where it has grown out more. So let me see, is that all I wanted to tell you guys? Don't like the bonnet, so I do this little dome cap. I don't know, some of y'all may feel like, well, that's a bonnet too, it's just a flat bonnet. But anywho, I just don't like the traditional bonnet. I just don't like this, so I'd rather do this. And I take it, and at night I put it on my head. Sometimes I may take the ends and then 3 separate, plait this down, plait this down, plait that down, have 3 plaits and kind of crisscross them and tuck them. Sometimes I do that, but more often than that, this is what I do, y'all. I just take my hair, just kind of stuff it up under there, make sure everything is tucked, just like I told you guys in the last video. And that's how I sleep. That's it. And then the next morning when I take it off, I am very mindful too of when I put my clothes on. I make sure I'm not, especially if you have on a t-shirt and you pull it straight down over your head, and you know how it kind of pulls your edges down. I don't do that. If I'm wearing a t-shirt that's like closed up like that, I make sure that I have something on my head, like I'll leave this on. That way when it comes down, it won't pull the edges of my hair. So I'm very mindful about that. Then I get up and brush my little edges, y'all. Brush my little edges down. And like I say, I fluff here and there. And we call it a day. If I see anything sticking out that I feel like I need to kind of moisten a little bit and put a roller in it real quick as I'm getting ready for work, that's what I do. I can look at it and tell that it's growing. But when I tell you I'm loving the journey so far, back to this. I take it loose. Just that quick. You guys see how just that quick we got some little curl going on. Just that quick. So I'll do that in the morning before, like when I'm getting ready for work, if I feel like there's an area that I want a little more curl in. Or I can wear it straight. So that's it. I've not done anything. Sometimes if I'm working around the house, I may pull it back a little bit, but I'm trying not to do a whole lot of pulling and tugging on it, at least right now. But I'll be glad when I can take it and pull it back and get me some ponytail, or take it and throw it up on the top of my head. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I love it. I love it. Oh wait, I did a whole bunch of talking. But thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you watching. Damn what I'm trying to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. That's what I was trying to say, y'all. Bye.